Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia XR21. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. And now go to security. Enter screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks. Non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. And now let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN number and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, let's go to fingerprint unlock, add fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done. And now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, setup face unlock, tap start, and now scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.